Limited to join us on the stage. I will not delay with my comments right now, but would like to get started with Mr. Srikanth's comments and welcome address. Over to you, Mr. Srikanth.
Good evening, everyone. Distinguished Mr. Hafid Thani, Managing Partner, Group Legal, UAE, Dr. Salman Al-Tawi, Partner, Group Legal, Mr. Chakravarti, ABPS, Convener, Pharma and Life Sciences Panel, Telangana, CIA, and Chairman and Managing Director of Ecobliss Private Limited, Mr. Samiruddin, CIA Director, members of media, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all our distinguished guests who are from UAE and all the esteemed speakers and participants who have crossed the traffic hurdles and on a Saturday evening and joined us here. It's a privilege to welcome you to this exclusive CIA Telangana session on doing business in UAE, opportunities, structures, and global expansion strategies. The UAE has emerged as one of India's most important economic partners, and Telangana is uniquely positioned to leverage this partnership. The signing of Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, CEPA, has unlocked new avenues for trade and investment and collaboration across sectors. Today's session is a timely as it will UAE as a strategic hub. And Telangana has been at the forefront of India's economic transformation. We all know Telangana is considered as the progressive state, and all other states take us as a model state with respect to the business and with respect to the governance initiatives. So, guided by a forward-looking industry policy framework, the state's emphasis on international trade, global partnerships, and ease of doing business directly complements India's Atmanirbhar Bharat and the Making India for the World mission. CII Telangana stands committed to facilitating global integration for our member companies, particularly MSMEs and family-owned enterprises. The UAE offers Indian businesses several advantages: proximity, cultural alignment, and robust regulatory and financial ecosystem. Free zones, specialized clusters, and golden visa opportunities make it easier for companies to establish a global footprint through UAE. This is in line with India's Look at the West policy and growing emphasis on outward foreign direct investment. I repeat, it's outward foreign direct investment. So for Telangana-based businesses, UAE is not just a market, but a gateway. And with this world-class infrastructure, investment authorities, and access to Africa, Europe, and Asia, UAE serves as a natural springboard for international expansion. From IT and healthcare to food processing and logistics, opportunities are immense. The government of Telangana has consistently encouraged entrepreneurship, global linkages, and innovation-led growth. Initiatives like T-Hub, V-Hub, and the state's proactive MSME and industrial policies can align seamlessly with the UAE's vision for global partnerships. So together we can explore joint ventures, investment flows bidirectional, and export opportunities that benefit both economies. Of course, venturing into the UAE requires clarity on structures, compliance, and long-term planning. So this session will provide insights on setting up the family offices, structuring business entities across the free zones, and accessing funding support from UAE investment authorities. Such knowledge will help businesses manage risks, optimize costs, and scale sustainably. So today's session is not just about understanding opportunities, it is about building strategies, forging partnerships, and positioning Telangana's enterprises as global champions. So the collective expertise of our speakers and the rich experiences of our participants will provide actionable pathways to expand confidently in the UAE. So in conclusion, I extend my sincere gratitude to the government of Telangana for their unwavering support in promoting global business opportunities, to our distinguished speakers from MNCO, for sharing their invaluable perspectives, and to all participants for your commitment to exploring international frontiers. I'm confident that the discussions today will help us all chart out a roadmap for cross-border growth and enhance Telangana's role as a trusted partner in India's global trade journey. Thank you all, and I look forward to a day filled with insightful exchanges and meaningful collaborations, which will strengthen the India-UAE partnership. With this, I pass on the mic to Mr. Chakravarti Garu.